Oh, fuck. Hi again. Welcome to the garage. I'm Pierre. A couple of updates before we go to the main core of the video today. Since like about a week, and there's still like 3 more weeks to come, my dad is going through some radiotherapy treatment for skin cancer. So there have been a few appointments with specialists and how to set the treatment and diagnostics and all things before, but let's say that he's 88 years old, but he's going good, morale's good. Skin cancer is not a major cancer. It's like should be like pretty well treatable, and his morale's good. His general health is pretty good besides that, and I think he's pretty happy to have his children's support, because brothers and sisters are chipping in to help him and my mom, and that's not exactly the easiest thing to do in life, but when it comes to helping parents, I think it's things we readily do, and I think they appreciate a lot the support. So I'll give you some updates as things are going on. Also, we got from Herb sent one of his channel sticker, and this one is for Philip from Phil's Projects. I'll transmit that to Philip. Thank you, Herb. If you want to go see what Herb's doing, he's got a channel where he does some fixturing for fixing and measuring and a few things on his for his own shop. He's also doing from scratch a little gasoline engine. If you want to see what he has to share with all of us, just feel free. I'll give the reference to his channel right down here. Next thing is someone, I've been following a little bit the road trip to get the Graziano lathe. Philip's been going to the mechanics that is undergoing the restoration of the lathe, and he's making up some updates, posting them on his channel. So Phil's Projects still there too, and I think it should be interesting. For the main core of the video today, we're working on the body for the knurling tool. This body, not all of them, but some of the bodies have been made with Böhler special tool steel. It's K460. It's a pretty tough material to work with. You have to slow down a lot, and it's creating a lot of friction, and it's not exactly like 4140, which just about any tools will cut like butter. This is a little different, as you're going to be seeing in the in the video to come. A few good outcome of the projects, but a few mishaps on the realization. So let's go without any further delays to start making chips and see how it goes. Okay, moving from here to the center of this line there will give me about 160,000 difference, maybe 80 thousandths on each side of the cutter to adjust. So that's more than I need. Doesn't have to be very precise. I'm there. I'll be locking the table. I usually like to take big cuts, but in this material, if I don't want things to lift or go crazy, and I have to really take it easy, I'll touch, make this my 0 temporarily, and after this I'll take some measurements, and after taking measurements I will have to adjust. Okay, and heavy cutting oil. Speed will be, this is high speed cutter, going about 200 RPMs, and depth of cut will be about 125 thousandths. Advance on this is 64 millimeters per minute. Not very fast. You get the direct reading in millimeters because this milling has got the chart in millimeters. The rest is inches, but imperial, but it's in millimeters. So test it. You don't want to just get rid of a knife
milling cutter like that. Okay, it's coming in. I'm checking for color of chips. Bluing a little bit. I have to slow down. I don't like the color of those. Find a solution. Okay, going back in, same speed. Make the chips a little smaller. Oil, and I got a little bit of air. Ooh, the chips are still bearable. This is a 9/16 cutter. We're going now about 260 RPMs. There's oil, cutting oil, and air. This is hot. Like I said, this material is a very hard material to cut. Another 125 up. Okay, we're at 250 now. Going back in. This steel is tool steel. It is something. Okay, let's go to 350. That will leave us, that cut is going to be 100,000 deep, and that will leave us 25,000 for finishing. Let's go again. Cutting oil. Back in, same speed, 100,000s. I'm cleaning the front face. It's always easier to go with a cutter in the climb milling. I lightly put pressure on the table gibs to give it a chance to just break it in case. If it doesn't break, it'll be bad news. Okay, next cut. I want to go to the back of this and take about, I got about 60,000 free, so like I'll take about 25,000. Yeah, there. Okay, I'll go back the other direction. Spring cut. Okay, this is where it's getting serious. Oops. Okay, we're about 878, and just that's where we check also that we're straight on both directions. It's been milled exactly the same way, so it should be close. We're within 1,000. That's not bad at all, or a little bit less. The distance here has to be 807, and once I reach the 807 there, I'll start measuring for the other side to measure this groove there. We'll go about 20, let's say 25 thousandths at a time. That's going to be plenty enough. Oiling this. Fine milling again. Put slight brake on the gibs. And there we go. Fine milling will save the cutters a lot. We're coming back. I moved away from the side, and we're taking another 25 thousandths. Okay, let's check exactly how much we got left after this. Important to keep clean. We got 822, if you can see. So 822 and 807. We're not very far. Let's take the 25 dip in the bottom. The we had to do. We'll measure, see how much exactly. We'll do the finishing the bottom and move on the other side and take what's to be taken on the other side. We clean up the burrs on the side. Very important. Yeah, if you don't want to make the measures on the burr. And once you put this in delicately, because a 40 threads per inch will climb you up very easy. So you just get it there, feel the bottom, give it a little go, and you're there. It's 300. Don't forget to read backwards. It's 353 and a half. From 353 and a half, we gotta go to 375. I'm taking the final cut on the back, and we're taking the bottom cut too. Then we'll worry about the other side after this. That's exactly what we are, 807. So the back is done. Let's go make some cut in the front. Okay, we're grabbing the side. And let's see how much we can grab with this one. We'll make it about 25 thousandths. Lock the gibs in there. We're going climb milling, low pressure on the gibs all over the place, and oil, and let's go. Oh fuck, shit, tabarnak, calice, hostie, ciboire de marde. Oh, you don't want to see the cutter. Another one dead. Now that we got down to the right measure from the center groove, we'll give it a good test. It's going down there, 720. It's plus 2 thousandths minus 1 thousand. So we got 720 here with the gauge blocks. And pretty close. I have a little bit of lapping because the end mills sometimes have, you know, a few tenths of taper like going down because they wear or something. So whether I give it a little lap or maybe get a straight new end mill, carbide end mill, and just give it just a little lick to get rid of that taper. And I'll do that at last if anything does. Now we gotta go and measure this front groove here that we have to get done. As for this front part, we'll be like taking it easy because I don't want to scrap another $40–50 end mill. This is a carbide one. Hate the cost of this so far, so we'll just get it in, get some touchdown. That's it. 0. We'll give it about I don't know, 25 thousandths. 25. Lock the gibs. I'll give it a little rub of this. Air. We'll take take every chance, put it on our side, and cross our fingers because I'm getting fed up of burning tools. Well, let's do some measuring. We need this center section to be 460,000. Okay, how close are we? This is 470, closer a little bit, 476. So we're 16,000 above, under mean, sorry. So we're there, we're gonna take this final cut and we should be like very close to it. Just lubricate this a little bit. That should be the last cut. Okay, clean up. That burr is on the top, so that's not going to be a nuisance. Okay, I need 460 there. Oops. 459, that's not bad. We're within tolerance. That's perfect. Okay, in order to really give a final super finish on this, I decided to make the walls very straight. I'm not going to take material on the top part there, or just about none. I'm mostly wanting to get rid of this, like the slightly tapered, because the end mill is worn a little bit, and that's gonna clean up the place. Okay, let's go there. I'll put it in front. I think you might see the, I'll be careful there because this is turning. The difference between here and there, the end mill there is getting the bottom straighter. Let me get about maybe 1 or 2 tenths. And I think we should be okay. Let's just try this. Okay, this is done. And let's have a look at this. I think you can see pretty nicely how it turns out. Almost a perfect surface. Okay, let's do the back one. Okay, here we go. It's going to just barely pick up like the bottom of the track again. That little slanted part. There we go. We could go faster. I would have to change speed. That's it. This is it. Let's check the let's check this part. As far as finish is concerned, it's nice, and this is going to be this wall's not going to have any tapers, you know, like on the way down, and this wall too. So the parts, the arms will fit in there like there we go. Nice tolerance. We got a little burr on the top though, but this slides like okay, we're going to test the depth of the grooves. We want to make sure we're within tolerance. We need 375 and we got 376 and a few crumbs, which is very acceptable. And also we're going to go with the gauge blocks. Okay, before we did this, we had 600 plus 120. This is 720. We needed to go down the bottom and probably be going with a 21. 600 plus 121. That's perfect. It goes like very nicely to the bottom. That's excellent. And operator, while it's cutting, time to relax. Moral support in the back. There's Robert. I'm here too. On t'entendra pas beaucoup, toi, par exemple. There's the whole team here. Like city workers. One working. Two watching.
Maybe something to look busy. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I like that. I like your dog. Yeah. My cleaning ladies are here.
And be respectful to the cleaning ladies. You.
Always. My dad always understood, and so did I. The guy who pushes the brooms is as important as the president of the company.
Bon ben, achèves-tu? Finish?
We're ready.
Waiting for you.
No, I got mental math. You guys might as well put those away.
Okay, bye. If you ever want to know what this is, it's related to the project, go see Phil's channels. He explains it.